Hi everyone, welcome back to Free Talent. Today we'll show you the teardown of a fitness band. We'll see what is inside and how it works and also the processor of that. Okay, so this is the box which we have got it, and this band is still working. Okay, I'm not showing you just the waste or damaged product. So let's see what all there in the box. So there is a strap and the charger cable. We might not need this. We will keep that aside and take the band alone. We'll tear this down. We'll try to rip this apart. I tried it yesterday, but I was not able to. So I'm just using the knife. If you see, it is still working, and unfortunately, I had to rip this apart now. Okay. So let me just go ahead and process of post-mortem here. So this is meant to be a waterproof, so that's why the adhesive which is used is really strong and you will not be able to tear this down very quickly. So let me take the knife and try to push it in and then tear this down. Okay, I'm just trying hard, but it is like really strong. You would not be able to do it quickly. You have to little struggle with this, fight it, and then make sure that comes out. Okay, I was able to poke into the glass. Okay, let me see if it is a glass or just a touch screen on the top. Okay, I'm just pushing hard. Oh, it hurt my nail. Okay, that's okay. So we'll go on now. Okay, I'll take the different knife. I'll just take the cutter this time because in this knife I'm not able to do it. So let me try out in some other knife. Okay. This is not working. Let me take the other one. Yep. This is a little strong compared to that. Let me just push it in. Okay. Okay. Cool. This came out a bit now. Okay. I just have to push it a little more. Yeah, I'm done. Oh, wow. After removing the, I don't know if this is a touchscreen or a panel or just a glass. I don't know. Okay. This is just a glass. So we took this apart now. Okay. Let me see what is inside. Oh, if you see, this is very small and tiny microcontroller which controls the touch. It is just a copper tip here. I mean, a copper strip which is, yeah, sensing the touch sensitivity, and it is processing the information to the chip and then it is working. Okay, this is really built well. Maybe like we should tear the phone sometime soon and then see if this is working in that too. Okay, let me just try to push out the uh, motherboard here. Okay, yeah, let me clean this up a little. Okay, I'm using a screwdriver to push it up. Let me see if it comes out because the knife is really sharp and I don't want the any damages to happening because there is inside a battery if battery just pokes in, and I would recommend not to do that also. Okay, at home don't try poking anything on the battery because it is really dangerous. Okay, I was able to take this out from the other side where the circular motor is there, which vibrates usually. Okay, I have taken the board out. Let me see what is inside the cap. Okay, the capsule has the charging connectors, nothing else in that. So let me keep that aside. We have this important piece of product. Okay, this is still working. I wonder how, but let me show this. Okay, let me see what is the battery and how much capacity does it have because it comes almost for a month, not even a phone batteries. Let me see how much is this. Okay, little zoom in. Yep, it is 3.7 volts and 148 milliamp mega. Okay, mh, sorry, 148 mh battery. So this is way better than our phone battery because my phone battery has a 4000 mAh capacity. There is only a circular motor, one battery off the other side of the board. Okay, let me see on the other side of the board what is there. Okay, first we need to remove this display. Let me just try to push it up. Okay, first let me poke in if it works well. It is not happening, so let me do one thing. let me go ahead and switch this off first. After switching off, maybe we might not damage any of the controllers here, because when it is switched on, the power supply is continuous, and if there is a continuous power supply and I'm touching and there is a short circuit, I don't want to take that risk. But this is not like happening. It switched it on again. So let me try to push it inside a little and then see I'm not touching any of the other components inside. And the adhesive, I must tell you that it is really strong. I had to like do this for 5 minutes to take this out. Since the video might go long, I had to cut that short. Yeah, it took almost for more than 5 minutes for me to take this out. Yeah, see, I'm just little showing here that there is only a small size of tiny tape which is attached, double-sided tape, which was holding very strong. Okay, now we got the entire portion here. We see a microcontroller which is huge. I will try to see what kind of microcontroller and what does it process in the upcoming videos, but for now we'll just see a tray down here. Okay, so we have done with this. Let me just take out, if I see a number I will be able to share that to you. Okay, I'm just trying to clean this up, but I don't think so. This is very stubborn and it is not leaving soon. Okay, the tape has come out. Let me try to read the information on the chip. Okay, this is not, yeah, you will not be able to see that because the zoom in capacity is not that much. I will try to make the other video on that. I'll take out the information. So we just have four components here. One is a microcontroller board and the display, small display, that too. Okay, and a battery. I don't want to take the battery out and see what is inside because yeah, it is waste of time. We just have a circular motor, battery, motherboard, and the display. And I'm impressed by the way they have built on the touch sensor. That is really well. Okay, so let me just put this back again. Okay, now I would like to tell you guys, if at all any YouTuber is watching this, I would want you guys, if you are making the video or if you are interested to do a video on this particular topic, then I just contact me. I will share this product with you guys. I don't want anymore because I'm done with the video. My work is done. I will give it to anyone who is in need of this. Okay, so this is still in working condition. I just packed it back again. Let me put it back. Yeah, packing is done. It is still working. Okay, you guys can use it, man. Not only YouTubers, anybody else. If it is required to you guys, let me know. I will share this to you. Okay, so now we are done with the video. But before going, please subscribe and hit the like button.